Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. Whatever that may be like. 1. I'll bring a snack. Reason, snacks make almost everything better. 2. I'm bringing my phone charger. Reason, better safe than sorry. 3. I'll wear comfy shoes. Reason, comfort is always a good idea. 4. I'll keep an open mind. Reason, surprises can be fun. 5. I'll be ready to laugh. Reason, every day needs a little humor. 6. I'll stay curious. Reason, questions lead to discoveries. 7. I'll enjoy the adventure. Reason, the journey is part of the fun. 8. I'll pack an umbrella. Reason, weather loves surprises. 9. I'll bring a good vibes. Reason, positivity always welcome. 10. I'll take a deep breath. Reason, staying calm helps. 11. I'll remember to smile. Reason, smiles are contagious. 12. I'll keep learning. Reason, every experience teaches something. 13. I'll charge my camera. Reason, great memories deserve picture. 14. I'll stay flexible. Reason, plans sometimes change. 15. I'll look for the bright side. Reason, optimism goes a long way. 16. I'll say, let's see. Reason, curiosity keeps life exciting. 17. I'll bring a water bottle. Reason, staying hydrated is always smart. 18. I'll be kind to everyone. Reason, kindness fits every situation. 19. I'll do my best. Reason, effort always counts. 20. I'll enjoy the moment. Reason, sometimes the best memories are unexpected. 21. Don't forget to rest. Reason, everyone needs time to recharge. 22. Share a laugh with comrades. Reason, happy moments are better together. 23. Enjoy the moment. Reason, today won't come back. 24. Keep moving forward. Reason, every new day is another chance to grow and succeed. 25. Stay true to yourself. Reason, being genuine builds confidence and trust. 26. Don't forget to snack responsibly. Reason, even heroes need a tasty break. 27. Enjoy the adventure. Reason, life is more exciting when explore. 28. Enjoy the sunset. Reason, nature reminds us to slow down. 29. Make today count. Reason, every day is a fresh opportunity. 30. Stay respectful. Reason, respect builds a strong relationship. 31. Try something new. Reason, new experiences create great memories.